Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vitex Communication. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, we are going to talk about phone repair tools. We are going to identify phone repair tools and their uses. That is what we are going to talk about in today's video. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, don't forget to do that. Try to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video. So, what are phone repair tools? Phone repair tools are equipment or tools used in the repair of phone, used in opening, used in locking, and used in servicing your mobile phone. So this is a set of phone repair tools. These are sets of screwdrivers. We are going to identify them one after the other. So let's go. The number one of the list here is Tweezer. It is called Tweezer or picker. It is used in holding your charging point, your picker, and is still used in owning your mobile phone. You can use it to hold your terminal, especially when you are doing soldering work. You can use it to hold a terminal, charging point, or even SIM-sitter in your phone. It is called Tweezer or picker. The next one is hash screwdriver. It is called hash screwdriver. Why do we call it hash screwdriver? Because it's used in loosening this hash nut. Some of these hash nuts are found in BlackBerry phone. They are found in Nokia phone. They are found in Huawei phone, and they are found in other non-China phone. So it is hash screw. And this one, it is the big hash. The next one on the list is the same thing as hash, but this one, it is the smaller one, or we can call it the medium size hash. The next one is that the same hash. It is the bigger one. As I've earlier said, hash screwdriver is used in loosening hash nut, not containing hash, as you are seeing on the screen there. This one is the star screwdriver. Star screwdriver used in loosening nuts that have star. Most of these star nuts are found in Techno, Itel, Gioni, and any other China phone. Look at the star nut here. The next one is still that the same star nut. It is the smaller star nut. Star screwdriver, sorry. The next one is your hash, smaller hash. This is your cutter, using cutting those stubborn nuts, using cutting wire, or the plier. Same thing as this one, plier, or you call it cutter. This is the tweezer or the picker, as we normally or locally call it. Let me bring another one. This one here is your magnifier, or you can call it GSM repair microscope. It can be used to zoom something. If something is very small, when you use it, it will magnify that thing. It will make it very larger. As all of us know, we know what is microscope. It helps to make a tiny object to be very bigger. We use it in phone repair, especially when you are working concerning IC something. You need to use it in order to zoom it so that you can see it very clear. This one is your star screwdriver used in loosening star nut. This one, it is your flat. We all know flat. We use flat in opening phone. We still use flat in loosening screw in your phone. It is flat. This one is big star. Used in loosening all those big star screw. The next one is hash. It is the bigger hash used in loosening hash nut. We still have your soldering iron used in joining or leading your phone, or either the screen, the mouthpiece, or any other thing. The next one on the list here is your screwdriver. It's your master screw. Sorry for the distraction. It is your master screw. Why do we call it master screw? Because it contains all this screwdriver in it, or you can call it pen screwdriver. So let's see the content of it. Look at some of the content of this master screw. It contains star, hash. It contains big star, flat. Sorry, this smaller one contains star, flat. The next one, big star, laptop screwdriver. This nut is used in loosening laptop nuts. The same thing as this one, laptop, used in loosening laptop nut. The next one is hash, smaller hash, big hash, smaller hash, big hash, smaller hash. Then on the last one, your laptop screwdriver. So that is it. So when you combine all these things together, it is what we call pen screwdriver or master screwdriver. We call it master screwdriver because it comprises all those screws in it, and it can loose all phones with this screwdriver. So those are the phone repair tools that we are going to talk about in today's video. If you like what you are watching, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video. That one will help our video to boost fast. Thank you for staying with us to the end of the video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop beautiful content like this. Thank you. See you in my next video.